If your Wise account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Check your email or Wise account notifications for details about the restriction. Understand the reason provided for the restriction, as this will help you address the issue in your appeal. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant information that supports your case. This may include transaction records, identification documents, or any correspondence with Wise regarding the restriction. Step 3. Access the Support Center. Visit the Wise Support Center on their website. Look for the section related to account restrictions or appeals. Familiarize yourself with their guidelines and procedures for submitting an appeal. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Follow the instructions provided in the Support Center to submit your appeal. Include all gathered information and clearly explain why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Be concise and professional in your communication. Step 5. Follow-up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Wise. If you do not receive a reply within the specified timeframe, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction on Wise. Good luck with your appeal.